Good afternoon, my dear students. All may please sit down. I know that all of your faces are looking so tired because this is the first period after lunch, but let me promise you, this is not going to take much longer because today I'm going to explain a very creative and interesting topic. This might sound simple, but is a complicated topic. We as business students should necessarily know about this, and the topic is CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. And why do we need CSR? We all might be wondering, why is CSR very much compulsory? Because it is totally an organization spending money, and for an organization profit is necessary. Well, I'll talk about it. In today's world, global warming, diminuted natural resources, extinction of animal, plants, species, population increase and migration and much more are being a big concern. So when the people are faced and when organizations are faced by such concerns, a much more sustainable development plan or much more sustainable developed programs are becoming a crucial necessity. So organizations and companies have to ensure that in such circumstances, they have to please society and people and also contribute to environment, and that is how they would catch up with their reputation. So the question is, what can a company or an organization do? What a company or an organization has to do is that a company or an organization has to ensure that the main goal of that particular organization would be to combine economical growth, social justice, and environmental preservation. That is, the CSR of a company has to ensure that everybody gets its benefit, right from its suppliers, employees, customers, in total all its stakeholders, mainly including the local people. And you know what? Depending on the activities, different companies will have different issues and different problems. For example, take the case of a pharmaceutical company. For a pharmaceutical company, their greatest responsibility is to ensure that its customers get proper, high quality and good medicine supplies. And they have to also ensure the safety and contentment of the people. But that is their responsibility. But this is not same for a construction company. For them, their responsibilities and goals are entirely different. But at the end of the day, what I am trying to tell you is that for all the company, no matter what the purpose or aim is, the greatest goal has to be to ensure that the customers, which are considered to be the king of the market, has to be contented with their products. They have to also ensure that business ethics is followed, which way they try to content their customers. Business ethics play a very important role. When talking about business ethics is not just a couple of laws. When followed, the company can make profit in any way. No, it's not just a few laws that a company has to follow. It is more like ensuring that the activity of the company, no matter what, do not affect other people in a bad way. It do not create external problems or mainly do not create any environmental issues. That plays a very big role in the business ethics. So, in total, the main aim of a company or the main ambition of a company is to ensure that it contributes in an economically efficient, socially equivalent and environmentally sustainable development. That is, it has to ensure that the company goes in a hand-in-hand ratio with profit and reputation. Dear students, so CSR is a concrete action taken up with great enthusiasm. So that's it for today's session. I know you people are really lazy to come up with a question, but please, any questions are welcome. Do anybody have a question? Okay, fine, nobody have a question, but let me tell you, tomorrow in my class a quiz will be conducted and I need answers from everybody. So right now you may take a little bit of break. So see you in the next class. Thank you.